This is my beautiful village. We live in Kyrgyzstan. We raise ducks in our yard. Ducks grow up very quickly. A year ago, our ducks started laying eggs at the age of 5 months. This year, our 5-month-old ducks have not yet laid eggs. Muscovy ducks were laying eggs even at 10 degrees in winter. Ducks don't get sick like chickens. They have a strong immune system. They love water. They feed on algae and don't eat much feed. A lot of mint grows in the village. By the way, we have 5 children. If you like the video, subscribe to us, click like and support us. Thanks you very much for watching.